Brewing in close to 30 seconds. Heat your water. Sanitize everything. Mill your grain. Add water to your mash tun. Mash in your grain. Let your mash sit for an hour. Go inside and have breakfast with your best friend. Collect your first runnings. Make sure your grain bed's clear. Sparge your grain. Get your boil going and throw in your first set of hops. 20 minutes left in your boil, drop in your chiller. Throw in your last set of hops. Terminate your boil. Start your chiller. Transfer the beer into your primary fermenter or primary fermenters, depending on how much you're making. Aerate your wort. Pitch your yeast. Add your airlock. You're all done. This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty.
Bye-bye.